Well, hey, welcome back to the Tesla for today's daily drive. Looking at dreams and goals and having a conversation yesterday with two people about their dreams and about what's happening for them and what's not happening for them. And it's kind of interesting. By the way, don't panic. I'm in the Tesla. It drives itself. In looking at it with them, I got the feeling that neither of them really believe that their dreams and goals become a reality. Now, my formula for this is pretty dang simple. So if you got a pen and paper, I'd write it down. And if you get the chance, start to work it through for yourself. The formula is pretty dang simple. Dreams times goals times learning times plans times action equals success. I'll say that again so you do get it down on paper. Dream, goal, learn, plan, act. If you're looking at the formula for success, that's basically what we got to look at. So you might want to start by thinking about, okay, how well am I doing with my dreams right now? Do I have them documented? Do I know what my dreams are? Do I know what they want to be? Do I have them written down, or at least have like a bucket list or a dream journal or something like that? At least even the list of 101 things you want to do before you die on your bucket list. Then take a look at your goals and say, okay, where have I got my goals written down? The reality of it for most of us is we know we should write them down, but we don't take the time. This weekend, if you don't have them written in all areas, by the way, not just business goals, that's where I find people get out of balance, is that they have all of these business goals written down, but they don't have any personal goals, like no fitness goals, family goals, they don't have relationship goals, that sort of thing. So dreams times goals, then you got to do the learning. And this is where these couple of people I was chatting with yesterday had the challenge. They're really great at having their goals and their dreams documented, but they're not doing any actual learning to go along with it. So here's the challenge with that, right? If you are creating new dreams and you're creating new goals, well, the reality of that situation is that you've got to actually learn new things to achieve them. If you didn't have to learn any new stuff, you would have already achieved those dreams and goals. I mean, that's not a complex analogy. But learning your dream, learning to fulfill your dreams and learning to fulfill your goals. See, if you wrote a goal of, say, running a marathon, of course, you got to do training, you got to do learning, you got to change your diet, you got to change that. If you wrote a goal to double your business, it's the same thing. You got to do training, you got to do learning, you got to do new understanding of stuff. So there's no difference in that. So dreams and goals must take new learning. If you build bigger dreams, you got to do better learning. It's not complex. I love it at Action Coach that when we coach business owners and they've got these big dreams and goals, we ask them, well, do you know how to do that? And their answer is, well, no, I don't know how to do that. So, well, how you expect to achieve your goal if you don't know how to do your goal? So I know that's, it's like, telling if I can be blunt about this, listen. Your dreams and goals should scare you, and your dreams and goals should annoy small-minded people around you. Your dreams and goals should be big enough that other people tell you, oh, it can't happen, won't happen, not possible. If your dreams and goals are too small, then they're not really dreams, they're not really goals. They're just to-do list items, okay? So once you've done the dreaming and documented, hey, this is what I want to have in my life, these are the things I want to do before I die type thing, or these are the dreams for my business. Once you've then turned them into goals, like specific, measurable, achievement-oriented results with a time frame type thing, once you've done all that, then you can sit down and start saying, all right, now it's time to do the learning, and now it's time to do the planning. So take a look at a goal you might even have documented now and say, okay, what do I need to learn to make that goal a reality? Hang on, let me just put it on the auto drive. What do I need to learn to make sure that goal becomes a reality is kind of the thing that we need to really focus in on. If I can learn that stuff, then I can achieve the goal and I can achieve the dream. And of course, from the learning, we then write the plan, we create the document that then says this is what's got to happen, and then we go to work. And the same's true for your business. So dream bigger in your business, set bigger vision, set bigger goals, all that sort of stuff. Set the goals to be a reality, do the learning to go with it. And it's not just you. Your staff have to do the learning, your team have to do the learning, your family has to do the learning. Learn better communication, learn better, whatever it is, so that you can get those skills up and running. ultimately, dream, goal, learn, plan, act. That's the formula. That's our daily drive for today. Enjoy it. Share this with your friends. Make sure everyone gets to know. Follow me on Face, Twitter, Insta, all those places. My new Roku channel and podcasts are coming soon. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Write your learnings below, too, by the way, if you get a chance. Love to see what you learned out of today's daily drive.